Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rover. If you love learning powerful Excel tips that make you work faster and smarter, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most and also important super powerful lookup functions in Excel. It is XMatch. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use XMatch to find positions, search from bottom to top, and even perform approximate and wildcard matches. So, what is XMatch? XMatch is an upgraded version of the classic match function. While the old match can only find a position in one way, XMatch adds a lot more flexibility, including reverse search, exact matches, approximate matches, and wildcard support. So look at the formula syntax here. You can see XMatch equal XMatch bracket lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, within square bracket, match mode, close square bracket, comma, then again open search mode, then again open square bracket, then search mode, close square bracket, and that is the syntax of XMatch. A lookup value, the value you want to find, okay, that is mean by lookup value. Then what is lookup array? The range where you want to look. Then match mode. So this is optional, tells Excel how to match the value. Okay, so that is what match mode do. So here match mode value can be 0. So if it is 0, it is exact match. It is a default value. If it is minus, exact match or next smaller item. If it is 1, exact match or next large item. If it is 2, then it is a wildcard match. So the final one is search mode. So it is also optional and tells Excel the direction to search. So the value of the search mode is 1, then search from first to last. If the value of the search mode is minus 1, then search from last to first. So that is the things you need to understand inside the XMatch syntax. So let's go to basic example. So here I have list of fruits. Here I have a list of fruits. Okay, I want to know the position of orange in this list. In this list, I want to know the position of the orange. Then here we can use XMatch function. So I'm going to type like this, equal XMatch. Okay, equal XMatch. Then within inverted commas orange. Then comma. Now you need to give the range. So here my range is B4 to B11. The value you can see number 3. So it is the position of orange. So it is in number 3. So that is what XMatch finds. Okay. So this is a basic example. So and there you go. Then the return 3 because orange is the third item in the list. So that is how to use XMatch to find the position of an item. So this case can be done using cell reference also. So if I use cell reference, then I don't want to use orange inside this function. So instead I can give a reference. Then I'm going to delete the word orange here. Instead I give Instead I want to give a cell reference. So my cell reference is A13. Then enter. So here you need to give a what we call the name. Just say Kiwi and enter. You see, Kiwi's position is 4. So again, if I enter orange, so the orange position is as usual 3. So you can use a cell reference to take the same result. Now I would like to explain you. Now I want to explain exact match and approximate match. So now let's see how match mode. Now let's see how match mode works. Imagine you have numbers in B22 to B28. So numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So here I want to test exact match. So let's look at the example. Equal XMatch. Then my value is just say 40, comma, then B22 to B28. Then close bracket and enter. You see, this is the exact match. The position of number 40 is 4, right? So this is exact match. This is the exact match. Then I'll explain you next similar value. So how to get next similar value. So here just say equal XMatch just say equal XMatch, then just say 35, comma B22 to B28. Then close the brackets, enter. Just say there you need to give -1 to get the next similar value, comma -1. This is next similar value. We got next similar value. Right, next similar value. So how to get next large value? Using the what we called using the match mode. So my function is XMatch, then again 35, comma B22, B28, then comma just say 1 and close bracket and enter. So what happens? It returns 4. Okay. So this is the 40 is the next larger value after 35. So that is what we find under the match mode. So that is how match mode works. So if you look at this function or syntax, you can easily understand how this works. So this is the next larger value for 35, next larger value. Now what I want to find is under the searching, and now I want to explain you searching from bottom to top method. One of XMatch coolest feature is search direction using the search mode argument. So I will take this example to explain this one. So how to searching from bottom to top. So I'm going to type my function like this. This xmatch A13 is the place where I want to enter the fruit name. Then B13 to B4 to B11 is the range. Now the search mode is exact value. That is why I entered 0. Now, comma, -1. That's all. Now enter. This searches the list from bottom to top. So if you have duplicates, it will find the last occurrence instead of the first. So that is the idea. So it has a duplicate value. So if it has a duplicate value, just say orange. Yeah, what happens? It moves to 0. So that is why I explain you. This searches the list from bottom to top. So if you have duplicates, it will find the last occurrence instead of the first. So this is the last occurrence. Okay, this is the last occurrence of your duplicate. So I want to change. I want to add orange here. So here it doesn't change because it searches the last occurrence instead of the first. So that is why it remains 3. Yes. Now the final part I want to explain wildcard match. Wildcard match. XMatch also supports wildcards, which help you find partial matches. So just suppose your list has again apple juice, mango shake, orange juice and pineapple slice. Then how to use wildcard match? Here you can use wildcard match like this. XMatch. Right, XMatch. Then asterisk mark. Sorry, within inverted commas. Just say juice. Close inverted commas, comma. Now range is A42 to A45. A45 2 for wildcard match, then enter. So here I got number 1 as result. So it will return 1 because apple. It will return 1 because juice. Just say apple juice is the first value that ends with juice. You can use the asterisks and question marks as wildcard. So I think wildcard match method is okay to you. Right. Now the final one. Just like match, XMatch can be combined with index to return actual values, not just positions. Suppose you have just say A53 to A57 names and B53 to B57 sales. Index plus XMatch formula is like this, equal index equal index. Now the sales value range is B53 to B57. Right, comma, then XMatch. Right, XMatch. So here just say just take a name, okay, Saman Pereira. After closing inverted commas, comma, name range is A53 to A57, then close brackets, and enter. So here I got what we call 100,000 as sales value. So the sales value for Zaman Pereira is 100,000. So that is what I got. Okay. So this will return Saman Pereira's sales value from column B. Then you can even replace the names with cell reference like C1 to make it dynamic. So if I say A59 instead of this name, I'm going to give a cell reference. So reference is A59. So here I'm going to enter a name equally Locuvel. So there you got the Nicole Locuvel's sales amount like this. This 120,000. Okay, let's quickly recap what we learned today. Number 1, XMatch is the upgraded version of Match. Number 2, it can search in both directions. Number 3, it supports exact, approximate and wildcard matches. Final one, you can combine it with index for powerful lookups. So next time you need to find something in Excel, use XMatch for fast and smart results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials every week. And also drop a comment below and tell me what Excel function you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.